but he's also been better than he has this year against lefties.
And Prince will take a walk. So fielder is aboard. The 3-2. Bouncing in, he walked him. He had him 0-2, and now the bases are loaded. Here's the 3-0. And that is outside, ball 4. He's going to walk in a run. Jackson comes around to score 3 consecutive walks for Romero. It's 1-0. And Romero walks another. Wasn't even close there. And that's his 4th walk already in the game.
Ricky Romero going through it right now. You can just see it on his face.
Runner goes this time. Ball 4. It's another walk. Back-to-back base on balls. That's 5 of them in the game now for Romero. Taking ball 4. That'll force in another run. And the 3-1. That's going to be ball 4. So Baker gets a leadoff walk. I got 7 walks now for Romero.
Season high for him.
Ball 4. 8 walks now for Romero.